Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jaydan. I'm here playing some Minecraft. We're gonna play some Minecraft. Let's go to Minecraft. Okay, let's play. I'm using my headset. We're gonna play online. So let's play some Capture the Flag. Let's talk a little bit.
Website yan ng Comelec. Babasahin mo yung mga impormasyon tungkol sa mga kandidato.
Let's play. Okay, let's talk. You know my friend Sam, right? Yeah, Sam. We are gonna sometime we're gonna play. Let me check something. Let's go. So, back to what we're talking about. Sam. Yeah, Sam. He's a great kid and all that. We and him, we're friends. We're very great friends. Sometimes we play together, sometimes we don't.
Pag nakikinig ka na pataas na ano ka na, pwede ka na sa ang mga nakapost, either paninira o
Oh my god. Yeah, back to what we're talking about. I'm disconnected. Let's just play on Hypixel server. Okay, back again to Sam. Yeah, Sam's a great kid. I'm just gonna play one more last game. So let's play some Simon Says. We're gonna play 2 games, Simon Says, and after that we're gonna play another game. Yes. Okay. Sam, he's a great kid and all that. Yeah. He has a YouTube channel too. Sometimes we play together, sometimes we don't. We're gonna do some gameplay videos sometime. So that's all I wanna say. And it's starting. Let's go.
Supporters man o yung kandidato man ang yung mga pinupost nila dyan, pwede din natin silipin ano ba ang ginagawa talaga ng Comelec. Para alam din natin ang proseso. Nang sa ganun ay hindi mo tayo nagugulo.
Kasi laging taon-taon na lang yung problema.
Solve the equation 2 plus 2. 4. Yes. Okay. Jump off the edge. Okay. Let's just finish it with this. Let's just finish it. Let's just finish the game.
Kasi kahit ano-ano na lang programa tungkol sa election information. May hugot siya. Yun ang kaya dapat lagi ninyong tatandaan. Maging open at masyadong discerning tayo lahat. Pinatising mabuti kung ano ang totoo at hindi. Baka tayo mapikendos. Magkana tayo na peke. Mamatay ka man.
Magiging leader natin ay peke rin.
Tayo yung kawawa, di ba? Ano naman yan, kaya dapat natutunan.
Bakit pag sabihin mamatay man ako? Pag sabihin niya, oh, hindi ako magnanakaw, mamatay man ako, mamatay ka?
Naglaban-laban sa Jeddah.
Pero ilang beses niya sabi na mamatay man ako, mamatay ba?
Okay, come on. We're losing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
If you're still experiencing interruptions or have inquiries, kindly call 0039
Cool boots.
2393771.
Hey, think let's end this game with a bang. The stand.
I'm a nature lover.
Quick game. That's all I want to talk about. Done. And I'm just testing this thing. So let's end this.